Hi guys, this is Lisa from Local King Robert and welcome to my channel. So did you enjoy the last video, the gliding eagle? If you haven't, you got a chance to take a look, make sure you check this video. So for my next few video, I am actually using this Majestic and combined with one background stem. So this is the stamps that I designed in 2021 spring. Okay, so that's the stamp, and then they come with the matching die cut, and actually the matching die cut come with 8 die cut a set. So if you miss our full promotion, we are going to have a super sale for the Black Friday. So make sure you subscribe to Local King's newsletter and the YouTube channel. We are going to have an awesome deal. So and then if you like this set, put on your shopping list, and when we have that promotion running, I think you will be very happy to pay a very small amount. So this is the matching die set. You can see there is 8 die cut. They come with the outline die cut, detail die cut, and the detail die cut also do the embossing. I still have a few more videos coming soon, and stay tuned. Okay, so today's video is going to be a super easy one. You guys already know how to do the eagle one, right? So the eagle's stamp, the image is for decorating. For the background, want to take a guess which background is that? The background is our sky background. I designed this sky background in 2021 fall. So you use a light color, loose light color, you use a darker color. There's too many different ways to do it. Today's video, I think, is probably going to be the shortest video because it's so easy. Okay, so I have my stamp here, and then we are going to use the Versa mark. And because we are actually going to use these pearlax. I have these two pearlax for over 10 years. And then I bought this pearl. I want to show you guys, if you don't have a pearlax, which I doubt it, because I think everybody have a lot of stuff that they don't use. So this is the pearlax I bought from Amazon a while ago. They have some nice color. I think they also will work just fine. Oh, actually here I have a spoon. Wonderful. Okay. So we are going to have a glassy black cardstock because I want to kind of create like a nighttime view, right? And then if you have embossing body, use your embossing body. If you don't have an embossing body, you can use a Swiffer. Just to kind of rubbing the surface, it will work. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit different. We don't need a stamp positioner, just to do this way. I'm going to just ink my stamp image with VersaFine. Versamark. Just make sure everywhere is nicely inked. Okay, tap. That's very good, I think. And then we are going to just put this card on top. Okay, so all the background size is around 4.10 by 5.35. So it's perfect to make an A2 size card. Okay, and then we'll kind of peel off, and you can see nothing. You can't see nothing? I can't see nothing either. Okay, so it's nothing wrong with you. Okay, and then make sure you clean your stamp after you use it, because I didn't do that, and I kind of ruining feel over my stamp. And then next time when I use it, I actually have to spend extra time to do that. Okay, so and then we are going to need some pearlax. Pearlax is like those fine micro powder pearlax. They have all different kind of name. And then we need a nice soft brush. Nancy Stem give it to me, this brush. Thank you, Nancy. Okay, and then we are going to just do this. You know what? I don't want to use that spoon. I actually have a better spoon. I found that spoon, because it's plastic, it actually pick up more than I use. So just get a strip, like a strip of paper, and then we're going to just, I don't know, this is like a pearl white or silver. I think this is a pearl white color. Or you can use like a $100 bill. Rolling it. Okay, and then we just kind of just tap on top, and don't sneeze. Suddenly my nose is so itchy. Okay, this Perlax is very sensitive. The Versamark is kind of like your glue. Is not your glue, like a glue. So when you put the powder on top, any place you stand with the Versamark, they will pick up the powder. But I want to have a 2 color. If you want to have a 3, you can have a 3 too. So we kind of just brush a little bit. Kind of don't push too hard. You kind of just gently brush a little bit, and don't sneeze. I'm so want to sneeze. And then I'm going to do a little bit blue, okay, on this corner. I think the strip is better than the the spoon. See, I want to have like a white and the blue. I want to blend in that 2 color. I don't want it like a white and the blue and I have a like straight gap, not gap, I mean the line. So I'm going to just do again. Little bit here. Okay. And then just like this. Okay, and I'm going to do a little bit blue on the side. You don't need a lot. More doesn't mean better. I always say that in my video. Okay, gently, you need a very, very soft brush. And then the trick is drawing a little circle. Okay, that's it. That's the done deal. You cannot undo it. And look how fine is this you know, and then I found out, you know, like I did this one yesterday, right? I didn't seal with nothing, actually nothing coming off. So if you worry if they come off, you want the setting with those kind of spray to set it, you can do that if you have. If you don't have it, you can use a hairspray. The hairspray with those kind of aerosol, the metal, why not the plastic one? Have like a fine mist. I have it somewhere. Oops, I'm glad it's back. That's it. Look how beautiful this background. And then I have my silver base. And then you just put the eagle on top, and I think that's the most easiest card you can create, and very unique. And then for the eagle, you can decide you want to have a spinning one, okay, just like the like this gliding one. Ooh, how come suddenly my camera have like so bright? Okay, like this one. Or you can just put a eagle, just put a silver. I put a silver mirror paper in the back because I think that kind of bring up that eagle. You can make a gold color too if it's not too much. Okay, so that's today's video. It's something very simple, just the background, but something very unique. Like I say, what you can do is you can just stamp few of the image, and then anytime you want it, you can just use it. What I will do is I have time, I will just pre-stamp it. You can photocopy it, and then you just put with your stamp. You never know when you want to use it, right? Because I hate it when I need it and I have to sit in there, wait until it dry. It take a while. So that's with our sky background stamp, and I've been using this stamp a lot to create all different kind of video. Make sure to check it out. We have a lot of video online, and then I think this is something really different, and I think it's a pretty unique, right? And make sure you check the other video. So hoping you like today's video. I still have a few more video coming soon, and stay tuned for our Black Friday big sale. And I've been mentioning, if you do like this video, please give a thumbs up, share this awesome video with your friend. Just click that share button. It doesn't matter if they're watching or not. It's just helping me to promote Local King Rubber Stamp's YouTube channel, and I hope somebody else will like our channel will pop out and somebody will watch it, and then we can have more viewers. So that's the best way you can help me. Just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, or share that button. Click that share button. Really appreciate it. And then you only have to do it if you like my channel and like my video. So that's today's video. I still have 5 more project created by using the Majestic stamp set and matching die cut and the mix with one background stamp. So after that, keep in your mind and let me know which one is your favorite card. If you do use this stamp set, create some card, send me an email. I'll post on Local King's Facebook. I would love to see what you do with Local King's product. So this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.